Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be defogging these headlights here with this Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. So let's get into it. Let's see what's in the box. So butterfingers. So we have both headlights. Step one, oxidation remover, glass cleaner to really clean it. So I just washed the car and I detailed it, but let's just make sure there's no any left residue on this headlight. So here's the oxidation pad. So we're gonna do, make sure you have gloves on. Okay. Wow, look how much clearer that looks. Look at all the dirt that came off of there. Nasty. Now, got the oxidation remover. I'm going to take this rag here and wipe it dry and see if any oxidation comes back. And the beautiful thing about this is there's no power tools. I do have like a rotary polisher and usually do it that way, but this is nice. So I got the 2000 grit on there, scrubbed it, make sure to wet it down, and then I'm gonna get the 3000 grit. I'm gonna go do the other headlight real quick. So now we're using a 3000 grit. Get all that leftover residue loosened up. Now I'm gonna take my rag Now they should have a clouded look like this. Now I'm going to apply step 3, which is the coating. Now you want to put this up. First off, wear gloves, and then you're going to go in a horizontal pattern, overlapping 50%. Only put one coat on these. So here we go. Dang. Look at that shine. It's like a new headlight. Alright, and then only apply one coat, and then wetting it or driving with it so it'll fully cure and dry. Let's jump over to this headlight. As you can see, it's foggy, ready for the coating. Take the white here. So you can see, look how clear that is. That's amazing. Look at that. It's like a new headlight. This car has 110,000 miles on it, so you know headlights are nowhere near new. And look at that. That's awesome. All right, so there's the application from Cerakote Headlight ceramic application. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe. Have a great day. Peace.